In these next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how to build out a messenger bot that allows you to capture email addresses and deliver a lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet is a fantastic tool for service-based providers and coaches, as well as consultants, to deliver a content piece packed with value that allows the business to capture information and nurture those leads, hopefully turning leads into customers. Mary's lead magnet is going to be a 5-day fitness cheat sheet, which is in the form of a PDF, which is perfect because it makes it super easy to deliver right inside of her messenger bot. Mary's going to be capturing email addresses and delivering that lead magnet inside the messenger bot for ease of use and a fantastic opportunity to grow her subscriber base within Manychat. You might be wondering, why would I need to capture email addresses if I'm using messenger marketing? Well, email addresses allow you to track a user all the way through the customer cycle, even outside of the Manychat platform. Additionally, capturing email and adding them to your email marketing campaigns allows you to have various touch points throughout the buying cycle. In these next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how to use user inputs and custom fields to capture users' information, including those email addresses. I'm going to show you how to take that data and export it into Google Sheets using the Manychat native integration with Google Sheets. And finally, I'm going to show you how to deliver those lead magnets right inside of your messenger bot. I am excited to get started in showing you how to build out this lead capture messenger bot campaign. So let's dive right in and get started.